In this video, I'll show you how to eject your disk from your PS5 using only the controller without you having to touch the buttons, because sometimes your PS5 could be far away and you don't want to reach there. Alright, so let me just insert my disk, okay? Don't forget, the disk is always inserted with the graphics towards the buttons and the USB port. Like this. Alright, so how do you eject it? Very easy. You're going to navigate on the main menu of your PS5, the one I'm currently on. And then you're going to go, okay, under Media, go like this towards the right side and select Disk Player. Just highlight it and then press the Option button on your PS5. You're going to get Eject Disk, go there, select X, wait, and the disk will come out in about 3 seconds. Here we go. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.